In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change OneDrive folder name. So in order to do that, you first need to head over first to your Microsoft.com website and locate OneDrive from there. Alternatively, you can also install it directly onto the Microsoft Store as well as your phone on your Play Store and App Store. Once you're in there, you can actually create an account, or if you already have one, just proceed to click on the sign in. On my case, I already have it, so let me proceed to sign in instead. Once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see in here your actual folder and your files. I have in here the specific files, and if you want to rename a particular folder, for example, I have in here this knowledge base, make sure to click onto this right here or just select it right there. Once you have selected it, you can click on these three dots right here, which is the more actions option, or you can also click on the three dots on the upper corner. So let's click onto this right here. You can find that it will show you in here the rename option. So for this case, proceed to click on rename and then it will open this window. So just input right here what you want to add right here. For example, I'll name it as database. After I've inputted your desired name, proceed to click on this update option. Doing that will actually update the name of that particular folder, and as you can see, it has reflected already. It will also automatically sort, and the modified option will also be updated. You can find right here some other details like the items inside as well as the sharing permissions. So for this, you can just proceed to rename this particular folder, and if you want to rename some file as well, you can do so by clicking on the three dots and also clicking on rename option that we have right here into this part. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching.